Hi guys, I'm Sumit and welcome to SumeetDevStuff. So in the last video in this series of how to make a Discord bot, we discussed how to install and all those things, and we didn't really do anything that the bot will tell or do anything. So now we will do that thing. So first we will see how to display a message whenever the bot is online. So now here uh, we should type client dot once, and then in the parenthesis, and then in that we should write ready, and here actually put a comma, and then parenthesis, and then equal to, and then the greater than sign, and then after that we'll put braces. In that actually not here, I'll just delete it, and then inside this we will write console.log, and then inside this this method will actually display the message whenever the bot is ready. Because of that the function is called once, and then when it is ready, we want to display your bot is online, and then here just save it. So now I have my this folder here. So in this I'll just type cmd, and then the command prompt for this will appear. So now we will just type node, and then dot, and then you should see the message your bot is online here. As you can see displayed your bot is online, and then if we go here it will also display your it will also become online here. So just we have learnt how to display something in the console when the bot is online. So now we will also learn commands. If we type something with a prefix, actually for some bots the prefix will be dollar sign, exclamatory sign, and all those things, plus sign, minus symbol. So if we type something with that symbol or the prefix, we will define here that if particular command comes with the prefix, the bot should give the bot should give or send the particular message which will be written in the script. So we'll do that right now. Yeah, so now if you want to make something like that, first we should define a prefix. So we will do that here. So for defining, as you can see, for defining we should write the word const, which means constant, and then client, prefix, and then something has hash, okay, hash and then a semicolon. So here we will type client dot on, and then in the parenthesis, as usual, we did this. We'll write, instead of already, we will write message here, and then the message itself, not this one, and is equal to, and greater than sign with braces, and then we'll do a condition here that if some message comes with this prefix and that message is defined in the script, um, uh, we'll give we'll give some message back, like if we type hash ping, so, and then the bot should message pong. So it's like that. And also if it does not start with the prefix, then the bot should ignore the message. So we'll do that. If not equal to message dot content and starts with prefix, which is our hash. So now here we should just put two lines like this, and then message dot author dot bot, and then here return. So we'll put a semicolon here, and then in the next line we will type constant args and message dot content dot slice prefix, and then the length, and we'll split it like this. So now, so in this line what we are doing is actually like this, hash and then ping and then me. So there is one space actually here. So as you can see, we also have a space here. This means the first word, and then a space, and then a space, and then plus, and then another word. So this enables us to have multiple commands. So I'll just delete it. So now here we'll make another constant known as command, and then which is equal to args, means actually this. So args dot shift, and then parenthesis dot to lowercase, and then semicolon. So what does this line do? It actually converts the all the words, all the letters to lowercase. So if we type something ping, if the P is also capital, even though we will define here the small p, we should be able to get a message from bot known as Pong. So it converts any message to lowercase until the message is not started with hash. So now here we'll do an if statement, like if command is equal to ping that means we will send a message to that particular channel. uh, uh, Wait a minute, I'll just explain it in a minute. Yeah. So now if the command will be equal to ping, yeah, when the command will be equal to ping, then in return it should send the message in this particular channel. Like if we create another channel, okay, so if nothing will happen. So if we type ping here, then it should respond in this particular channel, not any other channel. So yeah, now what we will do is we'll save it, and then instead of going to command, I'll just exit it. Every time going into command prompt, yeah, it will go offline in a minute. Instead of that, we can just go to new terminal, and then let it load, and then just type node and then space dot. So this should actually do it. As you can see, it is displaying your bot is online, and then we'll check it in a minute. So if I type in capital like whole, 1 minute, oh sorry, thing, and then it should respond with Pong. So we will do the same thing with capital. So as you can see, if we write capital letters also, it will convert it to lowercase and then message it in that particular channel. So if we send it here, it will send it in this particular channel, not in any other channel. So now we have learnt how to check the message that if it starts with the prefix which we have assigned it, and then uh, how to split it and have multiple commands, and then how to shift it to lowercase, and then if these all requirements will meet, then we'll send the Pong message. So now let us think about having multiple commands. So now I'll just 1 minute. Yeah, so now just type else if, oh else if here command is equal to YouTube. So if the command is equal to YouTube, then just the same message.channel.send. Here this is the link of my YouTube channel. So now I'll just put a colon here and then just save the script and then just exit this and then again type node dot and then just go here, type YouTube and then it will actually send the link here to my YouTube channel. As you can see here, we can have multiple commands. So now we learned how to have multiple commands and send a link in the channel. So now so this was it for this video. So thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe, and in the next video the video is gonna be little complicated and this ping command will be in another separate JavaScript file. So see you in the next video.